Hey there, Greg Aganowski with EcoWash Industries. Thanks for tuning in to watch another EWI video. Today we have a demo unit ready to go. It's in stock, recertified. It's a 2-in-1 dumpster and residential EcoWash system. So it washes dumpsters of all size as well as residential cans. If you're thinking about starting this business and you don't want to be limited to just one side of our industry and what you're cleaning as far as container wise, this truck does it all. This truck is in stock, it's ready to go. Now here at EWI, you get our Kickstarter package from website, custom wrap, custom logo, all the marketing material developed over the years, what's helped us, what hasn't. We train and coach you to understand how to get your business launched. If you're thinking about getting this business ASAP, this might be the vehicle for you. The lead time on this, probably a couple weeks out, just based off how fast you can move on your custom wrap, of course. Visit our website, ecowashindustries.com, or give us a call anytime. Love to see what we can do for you. Once again, Greg Aganowski, make it a great day.